How to reset your app preferences on Android devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually reset your application preferences on your Android device. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, app preferences basically means some of the settings which you have customized within the app, some of the permissions which you have given them access to. You want to reset all of those on your Android phone. It's very simple. For that, all we have to do is basically just go ahead and then open up settings. Once we open up settings, we have to scroll down and select the option which says about phone. Tap on about phone and then over here tap on reset. Once you tap on reset, you can see reset accessibility settings as well, and you can also go ahead and select reset network settings to do that, or you could basically reset all settings such as accounts, personal data, and then settings for downloaded apps. So as you can see right over here, it says settings for downloaded apps. When you make sure that settings for downloaded apps is selected, and then if you tap on reset settings, basically that way you can reset your app preferences. Or else if you have, there could also be another option by going to apps. Once you go to apps, you could tap on the three dots over here, and then you can select reset app preferences right on this page. So you can see this option which is reset app preferences. This says this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restriction for apps, and permission restrictions. You won't use the existing app data. All it's going to do is to reset the preferences. So go ahead and tap on the reset button. You might need to confirm it, and then it is basically going to restart or maybe not your Android phone in order to reset your app preferences. And this is how you can actually reset your app preferences from the very beginning. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.